Here's a tip on how to maintain your machine, be more efficient and have less downtime. Okay, so on this tip, we're going to be talking about steam wands and purging. And afterwards, we're going to be addressing a question that we get from many baristas. So this is going to be a very easy tip. It is literally making sure your steam wand is always clean. Every time a jug comes off your steam wand, every time clean and clean under. And very important, a purge. Okay, so my goal as barista is to have my steam wand clean throughout the day, free of milk stains and residue. So I'm always looking at a stainless steel steam wand, no patches, just clean. So the reason why we do this is liquid will get stuck on the tip of your steam wand. We don't want to cross-contaminate milk, so we don't want dairy milk entering alternative milk. We don't want alternative milk entering dairy milk. We don't want old milk entering fresh milk. And we don't want the liquid water that gets built up entering fresh milk, and that will happen when we haven't purged in a while.